Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you guys the Walmart favorites boxes. I believe there are 5 or 6 boxes. I have 4 of them, are available at Walmart in stores, and they're also available from the Walmart website. What I did was I went on the Walmart website, ordered them for store pickup. I tried to use their like tower thing. They have like this tower pickup thing where you like walk into this like gigantic tower and you're supposed to like put in your code and it's supposed to magically dispense your products that you buy. Yeah, the tower wasn't working when I went there, so I had to ask for help and it was just, it was a mess. Okay, so anyway, these are the Walmart favorites boxes. Each one is a different category. We're gonna start with the Everything Skin Kit. So this is valued at $53. Each one of these boxes was only $9.88. The Everything Skin Kit, it looks like this. It says, the Everything Skin Kit, radiate confidence with our favorite skincare solutions to refine, renew, and refresh. What do we got in here? We have got 2 of the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Waters. We have a waterproof one and a regular one. There's the 2 Micellar Waters. And we have the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Wipes. These are just the regular ones. There are 7 in here. A like deluxe size of the Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion. This hand is just doing its own thing. All right, I have something from Found. This is the Pore Care Fruit AHA Peel Pads. Gently exfoliates to even skin tone and reduce the look of pores. Never heard of that. I just dropped something. Oh, we have the e.l.f. Hydrating Bubble Mask. Ooh. And we've got a little sample size of the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. We've got the Clean and Clear Lemon Zesty Scrub. Sky Organics Rosewater Facial Mist Hydrating Toner. Ooh, I'm excited to try that. Don't mind my nails, they're so bad. Jergens Wet Skin Moisturizer. Olay Regenerist Whip Moisturizer, one of my favorites. I really like this. The last thing is from Physicians Formula. This is the Rosé All Day Oil-Free Serum. Ooh, pretty packaging too. Well, that is everything that is in the Everything Skin Kit. Moving along to the, no, we'll save that one for last. This one is Glow Like a Pro. It's $9.88 and it says it's valued over $36. Perfect your look with our selfie ready assortment to prep, highlight, and set. Ooh, okay, I'm not gonna take these ones out. These ones are a little bit easier to save. But we've got 2 products from Milani. We have the Milani Rose Powder Blush right there. And then this guy is the Milani Strobe Light Instant Glow Highlighter. The Hard Candy Mini Body Luminizer. Hard Candy Mini Matte Setting Spray. Found, where'd it go? Found Beauty Illuminating Makeup Setting Spray. Maybelline Face Studio Master Primer Mini. And then the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. Okay, the next one is Latest in Lips. Woo! Make a statement with the ultimate assortment of lipsticks, glosses, liner, and smoothing lip treatments. I'm excited for this. All right, I'm gonna take these ones out. Something from Almay. This is the Goddess Gloss in the color, I don't know, Angel? It's like a pretty shimmery pink color. Whoa, this is pretty. This is from Flower Beauty. This is the Miracle Matte Lip in the color Dark and Stormy. That's really pretty. I'm excited to try this. This is the Sue New York My Collagen Hydrogel Lip Patch. Hard Candy Max Pout Plumping Serum. All right, we've got a lippy from Wet n Wild. This is the Mega Last Liquid Catsuit in the color Flirt Alert. It's just a pretty baby pink color. This is Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Lip Shine in the color Radiant Rose. Then the last lip product is from Burt's Bees. Ooh, a liquid lipstick from Burt's Bees in the color Tidal Taupe. That's pretty. The last one I got is the Pretty Little Extras. Nothing basic about these accessories. This, okay. Give yourself a little extra with our favorite lash, nail, and on-the-go beauty accessories. So that's what that looks like. Again, this was $9.88. The value is over $34. Did I tell you the value for the lip one? Hold on. The lip one is valued at over $47. Oh, here we go. All right, first thing is we have a nail file from Equate. Cute. Some impressed nails. Those are cute. I like the color. Lashes. I actually wore these lashes yesterday. They're by Kiss. They're the blowout lashes in Page Boy. I love them. I got like a 5-pack or a 4-pack of them yesterday. And then we have some Duo lash glue. Not my favorite. I prefer the Kiss lash glue because I think that this stuff smells like fish. Like it's disgusting, so probably not gonna use that. And we have some In Cocoa coconut nail art. I think I was sent these like a few years ago when the company first came out, but they're like nail stickers. We've got a brush from Royal and Langnickel. This is the Mata Pro Buffer Brush. Look, we've got an Eco Tools Total Perfecting Blender Sponge. Oh, we got a nail polish from P2. Never heard of that company. P2 Volume Gloss in the color Happy Bride. That's a pretty color. And the last two things in this box are sets. Blot Translucent Powder, Single Dosed Cosmetic Compact. Oh my gosh, cool. It's like a blotting powder, but it's like a single use. Well, there's two in here, so it's 2 single uses, but that's cool. So those are all of the Walmart favorites boxes that I got. Editing Vanessa will tell you the other boxes that are available. I'll put them here on the screen, and I will also link them down below. Get them from Walmart in store. Your Walmart might have them. At my Walmart, they were on an end cap. Or you can go to the Walmart website, order them from the Walmart website, and have them shipped to you, or you can order them and have them like shipped to the store, pick up at the store, whatever you prefer. These definitely will sell out because number one, they're a good deal, and number two, there's only like a limited quantity of them. So if you're interested, I would go get them quick. That's it for this video. If there's anything in this video you want to see me review, talk about, then just comment down below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.